Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing to you how you can perform a new type of animation in Flutter, which is a side transition method. Right. So to get started, what I'll do, I'll be getting a new view here because I want to keep everything separated. So here I'll be saying a new animation, that is side transition dot view dot dart. Right. So once we have got this, let's create a new stateless widget and call it size. Easy. So let's have a scaffold, the same old methods. So convert the following stateless into stateful. Yeah, we should be having stateful widget at the initial only. So now the other thing is we need to extend it with single child ticker, that is single ticker provider mixed state mixing. I'm just confused the name. Nothing matters. So here I'll be creating a new variable, let's say animation controller, the same old thing that we always do, and call it animation controller, and the value of it will be animation controller. In order to vsync this, we just need to add a this operator and make this thing to be late. Right after this, let's have a duration. So for now, let's say a duration of seconds of 3, the same old methods. Right, so when this thing is done, let's go under build context, and under my build context we need to implement a curved animation, the used to thing. But before that, let's provide here an instate function, and an instate function will be simply forwarding the animation controller. Easy. And let's have one more dispose function, and here we can have animation controller dot dispose. Easy thing. Now after that, go under the following build context, and here I will be creating a curved animation. So here let's create an animation. Now the side transition will be in the form of doubles, that is from position to position. So here let's make it double. Easy. So let's say size transitioner, something like that, or whatever the spelling is. Right. So after that, what I'll do, I'll be saying this thing to be in a form of curved animation. So the parent will be nothing but our animation controller, and the curve will be whatever you want. So for now, let's have a curves of ease in. Easy thing. Now let's have a body. Now under body, what I'll do, I'll be having a size transition widget. Right. So a size transition. Now we'll be requiring a size factor. The size factor will be nothing but a size transitioner. Easy. Now after this, we'll be requiring some alignment. So let's say axis alignment of -1. I'll show you how it will go. And also this, after this, will be requiring here axis, that is you can choose any axis. So for now, let's go with horizontal. And after that, what I'll do, let's make it under center, so everything will be centered up. Easy. Now after this, let's copy the name and paste it under our class of size transitioner. Let's restart everything and let's see how it goes. Alright, so we need to provide here a child as well, and before child, let's have a background color. Or instead of having a background color, what I can do, I can add a theme here. So let's say theme data dot dark, remove the constant and make it constant here. Right now in a size transition, I will be having a child here, and the child will be nothing but a Flutter logo having a size of 200. Now let's make it constant, and if I hot reset everything, you can see we are getting the transition of the size. Right, so if I remove it out, or let's fix it, the properties. Easy. So if I make it 1, and if I hot restart everything, you can see the axis alignment will be changing up. If I make it vertical, and if I hot restart everything, the thing will be in a vertical format. Right, now you can make it -2 itself, because the axis alignment will be just simply a dynamic factor. Now the following thing will be changing from time to time, that is the axis alignment will be changing up. So if I hot restart everything one more time, it will be changing up. Right, so if I make it horizontal for now and hot restart the thing, it will go at a -3. And if I make +3 and hot restart everything, it will be from the this side. Right, so this is how you can perform side transition. Now you can play with the axis alignment, with the size factor, etc. and etc. So I hope you have loved this tutorial. Now you can also make it repeat, and if I hot restart everything, it will be repeating up time to time. Now you can be using the following animation whenever you need to show a particular banner. That is the use case of this animation will be in the case of showing banners or showing some dynamic elements that you need to attract all the users. Right, now I hope you have loved this tutorial, and if you do love this tutorial, please hit that like button on this video. That will be helping me a lot. If I make it -10, let's just play around with that. You can see the following axis alignment will be starting from the scratch, that is if you coming from the down, that's why it is so fast. Right, so let's make it -1 because -1 is better, or you can also make it 0. Right, so if you make it from 0, it will be glowing up from the middle. Right, so if I make it horizontal, it will be glowing up from the middle, that is from there to this. You are getting that what I'm saying to you. Right, now you can play around with it as much as you want. You can play with all the type of animation itself. Right, I'm leaving that thing onto you. So along with that, make sure you follow me over to my Instagram because I regularly post some new content there. So with that said, I'll see you in the next animation video. See ya.